It's a story where we relive the magical story of Ganesha's birth. I will not be taking you in this journey alone. I have my beloved friend Smita Patnaik here, who brings the same warmth and smile on the stage today.
Namaste everyone. Very grateful for the opportunity that Lord Ganesh and my soul sister Dayalini has given me today to be a part of the team working so hard to bring Ganesh stories alive before you guys. Today, as we go through this journey of dance, devotion, let's celebrate Ganesh and his life.
To make it more interesting and lively, I just want you all to either close your eyes, but don't forget to open it when our kids are dancing, and visualize that you are in the abode of Lord Shiva, the Mount Kailash. Imagine there is those floating beautiful clouds around you, the beautiful mist and the divine feeling in your heart, and you are waiting for that one single glimpse and darshan of the Lord Himself in this whole lifetime.
We present before you our first dance, the Lasya and the Tandav.
Lasya is a graceful movement or dance of Goddess Parvati, which symbolizes courage, beauty, and compassion, just like a mother we all do.
Whereas Tandav embodies the vigorous and powerful dance of Lord Shiva, symbolizing energy, rhythm, and cosmic transformation. Together, when the two forces come together, they have the union of the opposites, like the feminine,
The masculine,
the calm,
the storm,
the creator.
and the destroyer.
Let's watch this beautiful dance by our kids.
पार्वती बोली शंकर से, पार्वती बोली शंकर से, सुनिए भोलेनाथ जी, रहना है हर एक जन्म में मुझे तुम्हारे साथ जी, वचन दीजिए ना छोड़ेंगे कभी हमारा हाथ जी, ओ भोलेनाथ जी, ओ शंभुनाथ जी, ओ भोलेनाथ जी, ओ शंकर। के भस्म तुम हुई थी मेरे लिए सती शिव बिन जैसे शक्ति अधूरी शक्ति बिन शिव आदे जन्मों तक ना टूटेंगे ये जन्म जन्म के नाते ओ भोलेनाथ जी ओ शंभुनाथ जी ओ भोलेनाथ जी ओ शंकरनाथ जी ओ भोलेनाथ जी ओ शंभुनाथ
Shiva, Parvati, Lasya and Hana. When grace meets power, the whole universe dances in harmony. I hope you all felt it.
Every story has its magic, and every mother has a dream. Don't we all mothers have a dream? In the heavenly abode of Goddess Parvati, rekindled a desire in her heart, a desire to have a son who would be her strength and protector, who would help her and guard her. From the sacred turmeric paste that she used in her bath, she lovingly shaped a little boy. With mother's tender care, she breathed life into him. A pure, radiant, and curious child. And so began the delightful bond of a mother and child, a bond that would bring joy, mischief, and endless stories to the world. Now we'll witness the bond between Mother Parvati and her beloved son. Who doesn't remember those childhood days of fun and laughter with our own mother? And then later, when we become mother ourselves, those sweet moments with our little ones. The beautiful bond of Mother Parvati and his beloved son.
Did you see Parvati? That is me, who is dancing with a little boy. Anyone in the audience can tell me who the little boy was? Any kids? Go ahead, Kana. Ganesha? Are you sure it's Ganesha? I see a Ganesha here. Do you think this is Ganesha? I see one there. But I see a big elephant trunk and a tusk. Did the boy in the story have one? No? What do you think? Kartikeya. You all know Kartikeya, right? He's a little brother. Why did you say Ganesha? That's okay. I don't know who good Helen's spotlight. I know she knows it. So they all think it's little Ganesha, Mita. What do you think? Let's see. You want to walk them through?
If there is one force stronger than anything else, it's of a mother's love. We just see the beautiful bond of Mother Parvati and her son, pure, radiant, and full of curiosity and mischief. We saw in this scene, Mother Parvati had instructed Ganesha to stand on the gate and guard and not let anybody in while he finishes her bath. As Ganesha stood out there, obeying his mother's word, Shiva comes to enter his abode. But it's stopped by the little Ganesha. A fierce confrontation begins. Now let's see what happens next.
सिद्धिदाताय नमः ब्रह्मांड सारा उदर में समायो माया सुर की माया पर में मिटायो सृष्टि पे संकट है जब कोई आयो महिमा से अपनी प्रभु ने बचायो लंबोदर 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 विघ्न हरता मुक्ति विधाता जय जय गजानन हे सिद्धिदाता लंबोदर 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 भागलों में घना संकट है छाया माया से माया सुर ने भक्ति बनाया लंबोदर रूप धर आए गणेशा नागों को बंधन से मुक्त कराया लंबोदर 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 लंबोदर
Just like in dance, we have 9 forms of expressions or bhava we call navarasa. Each rasa is each expression. I think in this dance segment, I was very much overwhelmed with so many different kinds of emotions. I could see anger, grief of Parvati who lost her beloved son, and then forgiveness. Once life was given back, she forgave. And also, I did notice something which I want the little kids here to understand. It was the little Ganesha who was so obedient to his mother's words. Doesn't matter, the whole universe, God, Lord Shiva was here. Even after explaining it was Lord Shiva, he was not paying attention to it. He was like, no, my mommy told me, I'm just gonna listen to her words. And he did not let the Shiva himself inside. Since we are doing this for a sake, I want all the kids to understand the story. I would want Smita to explain the small nuances here in that way. When they leave today, they have so many takeaways. Walk them through the story.
We just witnessed the devotion of an obedient son. Ganesha showed great courage against the mighty and powerful Lord Shiva himself. Even though he was so little in form, he didn't move his stance a bit. Even after being aware of Shiva's might and who Shiva is, he was firm in his stance and stood steadfast to what was instructed by his mother Parvati, even going to the extent of sacrificing his own life for her. As we know, Parvati and Shiva are the embodiments of two equal cosmic forces of the universe. When Parvati was shattered and heartbroken to see a lifeless son, Shiva understood the true identity of the boy. Then Lord Brahma, the creator of the universe with great wisdom, came to their rescue, and with the help of Nandi, Shiva's loyal bull, they could find a head of an elephant and restore Ganesha's life back. Thus Ganesha was born, blessed with wisdom, strength, and a promise of eternal reverence. From his sacrifice came his divinity, and from his obedience his strength. So little yet so mighty, little Ganesha not only teaches us obedience, but it also teaches strength isn't in size. It is in the courage that is in a heart which is soaked in devotion and duty. We'll now move on to our next dance.
We saw this overwhelmed anger, grief, courage so much. It's Ganesh Puja, birth of Ganesh, his birthday. Shouldn't we go revisit his childhood memories? Shouldn't we see our little Gajanana? Was he naughty or was he only very obedient? You kids ready? Yes, let's see that now.
Bamma bamma kaataiya layya nakdina nakdin badan kare. Bamma bamma kaataiya layya nakdina nakdin badan kare. Udani dana dridani dridhom dridhom tai tai ganapati naam sada. Dimmittar gradi kundana dagrada dagrada tala tala odam. Udani dana dridani dridhom dridhom tai tai ganapati naam sada. Bamma bamma kaataiya layya nakdin badan kare. Udani dana dridani dridhom dridhom tai tai ganapati naam sada. अमर बासुवै करं वाहिदीयते नाम चतुर्गण राजा काल मंदिर बहुत्तम सत्सुर मंडल की सुरभाजा दिमित्तरि कृति कुंदना राकृत ताकृत ताणक बोधता उदनि तनदुदनि द्विधुम द्विधुम त्वं तै तै गणपति नाम सदा उदनि तनदुदनि द्विधुम द्विधुम त्वं तै तै गणपति नाम सदा वेणुवासरे अमृतकुण्डल कितारि कृतकटारि कृतकपालगजा नारद तुम्बुरुवैन गजागे नारद प्रणमे उपसर्ज ब्रह्म ब्रह्म कातैय तैय नकदिन भजन करे उदनि तनदृदनि द्विधुम द्विधुम त्वं तै तै गणपति नाम सदा अमरु वासुवै करं वाहिति द्रुमि 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 मृदङ्गा अमरु वासुवै करं वाहिति द्रुमि 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 मृदङ्गा नवां सारङ्गी सितारुकिनरि अमरु वासुवै मुगसिंगा दिम्मि कृतकदि कुन्दाना राकृत दाकृत ताडका बोधताम् उदनि तनदृदनि द्विधुम द्विधुम त्वं तै तै गणपति नाम सदा त्वं तै तै गणपति नाम सदा त्वं तै तै गणपति नाम सदा
Wasn't that beautiful? Little Lord Ganesha and his brother Kartikeya. So as we all know, modak and laddus are Ganesha's favorite. What else do you think is Ganesha's favorite? Even the big kids in the audience can say the parents. Anybody? Kids, what do you think is Ganesha's favorite apart from modak and laddus? Kolkatte. Thank you, Uncle. So I said big kids. I knew Uncle will say. Anything else? So only 3? I'm sure people would have made a lot of different stuff on Ganesh Puja and offered it to Ganesh. Ganesha actually accepts anything that you prepare with love and devotion for him. Okay, now let's move on to some little fun facts about Ganesha for the kids especially. Ganesha has big ears. Why do you think those are for? Those are so that we listen more and talk less. Listen first, contemplate, and then react. We are very fast in reacting to other people, and that's why problem comes. But Ganesha teaches us to listen very carefully, contemplate, and then react to the situation. His small eyes, these are especially for the little ones. Small eyes are for concentration and not to be distracted in different things in life, and keep your focus steady. What is his big belly for? Any parents? It's not for food. What is the big belly for? You think Ganesh is Lord of Modak and Laddu, that's why he has a big belly? Fat? No. Its big belly is to accept everyone, accept different things in life. There is so much variations, everybody is different, everything, situation, and all situations are different. So big belly symbolizes that we should be like that. We should be able to accept different situations of life, different people, their thoughts, their ideas, their beliefs, and accept everybody. Why does he have a broken tusk? I am sure there's stories behind it, but that symbolizes the sacrifice. You should not be attached so much. You should have detachment. Even God himself is okay with one broken tusk. So we should also be okay if life takes something away from us, something very dear to us. We should accept it as God's prasadam. And what does the mouse represent? The mouse is very restless and moves around in darkness, not knowing where it is going. So we are like that ignorant mouse, not knowing where we are in this world. Ganesha sits on the mouse and gives it spiritual guidance. So let's pray Ganesha to be in our life, because we are those restless mouse going around the world not knowing anything. So he will guide us and lead us into spiritual knowledge. I hope you got some meaningful things about Ganesha that we didn't know before.
Thank you, Krishna. Now do you know why I brought her in the stage, right? I hope all the kids have some takeaway from today. So we did see, and we were blessed enough to see the birth and little childhood memories of little Ganesha. Being Ganesh Puja, it's now our time to seek his blessing by chanting his name. You all ready? Ganapati Papa Moria!
Mangal Murti!
Moria!
Can we have it louder, please? Ganesha's big ears, so I want big mouths. Ganpati Bappa!
Moria!
Mangal Murti!
Moria!
Ganpati Bappa!
Moria!
Mangal Murti!
Moria!
Sa
वक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
रागाय ग्रन्थाय नीताय ग्रन्थार्थतत्त्वये
एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Let Ganesha bless us all with the same intellect like him, courage and obedience. Thank you all for patiently watching this show and encouraging our kids. I would like to thank Sri Siddhi Vinayaka Temple's cultural team for always giving us this wonderful opportunity and also the board members for providing this space where our regular classes happen every Monday. I would just like to say the names of all our kids. Few more minutes, not gonna hold you more. We have Shri Periyanaiki, she did as Brahma, and we have our little Ganesha, Adira Mahesh. We have our Parvati. We both share the stage as Parvati, Adha Arvind, and we have our Lord Shiva here, Padma Shri Kartik. We have the little Kartikeya here, who brought so much smile in all those places. It's Harini. And we have Sarah, Vijay is here. She did play as Nandi, who got that elephant head for us. Thank you all once again for being a part of this. I would like, last but not least, this is not just my journey. There has been a lot of background, from mass to bells and what not ever. I'm not mentioning names, but there was so many family and friends who have been working through this journey night and day. Thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Why don't you all join the stage? Come, we just take one picture. Come, Smita. Jai Shri Pavitra, come take one picture. And I see some parents missing. Vinu, Una, come. My God, she's hiding from it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah.
Thank you.